How much could you accomplish if all your students came to class having already completed the core lecture material? High-yield curriculum support gives you the freedom to share expertise instead of just information. With advanced pharmacology curriculum support, your students will arrive to class having already learned the core content through high-yield lectures. Imagine having class time for educational experiences and engagement that prepares your students for practice. You can have a greater impact on the world of healthcare as you have more time to focus on what matters. Your success as an educator depends on the competency of your students. Core knowledge is only half of the equation. They need your engagement and expertise to prepare them for practice. Our curriculum was created by faculty that have been in your shoes and understand the challenges you face and what is at stake. You can feel confident that our advanced pharmacology curriculum will provide your students with the comprehensive foundational knowledge they need. Your students arrive to class prepared to take on higher level concepts and learn from you what actual clinical practice is all about. Email us today for a free sample of the lectures that can free you to share your experience and expertise with your students.